Due process is included in the procedural safeguards as a right given to both school districts and parents to overcome disputes. However, it is recommended that things such as mediation are conducted before having to resort to legal means. If it does come to that, the party who is filing for a due process must be submitted to the Minnesota Department of Education in writing, and it must include, among other things, a statement alleging violations of state or federal special education laws or rules, and include facts upon which the allegation is based. It must be signed and include contact information and specific information about your child and the issues regarded. And you must also include a proposed resolution in your request.